So we've learned a series circuit, we have learned how to build a parallel circuit, but now here comes the big one. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to build the complex circuit, or you might hear it called the combination circuit because what it actually does, it combines a series and a parallel relationship together in the same circuit. There is a numerous variety of these, but we're going to stick with the most basic complex circuit that we could have. So I'll start off with the simple things and go kind of quick through this. Again, put your switch right next to the battery so we know it cuts all the current before we create any junctions. But I'm going to create a circuit, a complex circuit, where we actually have a junction right away. So when I have a junction or see a junction, right away what comes to my mind is a parallel circuit, because now I have two different paths, and that is pretty much a good sign that I have a parallel circuit. So I'll put one light bulb on this close path, the top path, but now on the bottom path, I'll put a light bulb, but now I'm actually going to connect another light bulb. So before I finish completing the circuit, you obviously can see there's a lot going on here. I have my junction where the current will split right here. That means parallel. But then on one of these individual paths, this bottom one, there are two light bulbs. And if you notice, they're back to back. They're on the same path. So this is a series relationship right here. So we're actually going to have a series relationship on one of the individual paths of the parallel connection. So I'm going to now finish the circuit. Oh, I snagged to the... So if you ever snag to the wrong connector right there, you can just delete it. It's kind of nice that happens so you guys can see your options with that. I'll drag this all the way over. So this now is my closing junction, not necessarily where the current splits, but where it can then recombine. And when it comes back to the battery, this should now represent the total current, again, because it's on an individual path, the final total path. So I'll close the switch. You can see currents flowing, but again, we have current flowing on this inside path and current flowing on an outside path, which means I have a parallel connection. But the key thing is, on one of my individual paths, I have two light bulbs that are on the same path, which means they are connected in series. So I have a series connection within a parallel circuit.